Welcome. If you are watching this video, that means you have watched similar videos which say earning thousands of dollars with copy and paste. But does it make sense to you? How can we get something so easily? You can't achieve anything easily. You have to struggle. I am not saying that such a thing isn't possible, but for that you have to be lucky. See, there are two types of luck. Luck, which is created by others and used by you. Like in this case, YouTube videos by others, and the second type of luck is luck created by us. The chances of first luck to work is close to zero, but the other luck is absolute. So if you are interested in making your own luck, so come with me. In order to get successful without getting lucky, we need a game plan. For this purpose, we are going to use YouTube Shorts as they are easier to build. First thing first, take a paper and pen and write things which you are good at, which you love doing, and which can be monetized. With this, you would be able to find a niche, which is important. For this purpose, let it be a fact channel. Now select your editing style. You can take inspiration from or make your own style. You can use any editor you like. For this purpose, I will use CapCut. If you suck at writing, you can use ChatGPT to script for you. Just write, "Give me 3 interesting facts about Iceland." Now just copy those and paste into Docs. Now you can check those facts. And then you can add some of your jokes or whatever you want to say. Prepare the final script and then hop into your editor. We have prepared the script. Now we have to craft the video. For that, we will need some other material. Like we will need some stock footage to display behind and while we voice over. We can get those for free with sites like Pixels, Pixabay. Download the images, videos you will need, and start editing. What makes short engagements? There are 3 aspects to that. That is visuals, sounds, and info. In our case, our info is engaging as who doesn't want to know random facts, which are of no use. For sound, we can use YouTube's audio library. It's pretty good. If you don't want to use your own voice, text-to-speech functionality. Now, let's add our visuals. Visuals also has 2 parts. One is background images, and the other is text. Now you may have seen such videos, and they are quite engaging. So we will do the same. We can use the auto sub function for it. You can even customize the text as you like. It's up to you and your creativity. After everything is complete, click download and export it to M4 format. After creating a YouTube channel, fill all the details in title mention orts and a title mention. Orts an algorithm to know its type in the title. Write a little description. Don't forget to check Not Made for Kids. Now click on Next and Continue and publish. Now you just have to repeat the process for about 6 months until you will see some results well. Most of the time it doesn't take that long, but always prepare for the worst. Growing on YouTube or any business is a matter of time and effort. Both needs to be balanced. Now, let's come to monetization. There are 3 ways to monetize. Number 1. You can monetize through YouTube's Partner Programmer, where they share all the money made by Shorts creators according to number of views. But according to me, it is not the best way around. Another way is to post affiliate links in the comments. You can use Amazon affiliates or ClickBank. There are others too, and the third and most profitable way is to ask for sponsorship. As you create your own content, you can get sponsorship related to your niche. Imagine you have opened a developer short channel. You can ask Hostinger to sponsor you, and just make sure to continue this loop until you want to stop. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.